First, tell us what are you picking out for us this Navratri?
So yeah, I think wishing first of all the viewers as well as to all of you guys happy Navratri. Now, in the sense, today's stock which I would want to recommend is ICICI Bank, and one of the prime reasons for that is the classic outperformance the stock had shown over the last 6-9 months, 1 year, 2 years, with respect to many of the other peers. Now, the good part about the stock is that so far it's corrected by almost 5-6% in this last 1 week, 10 days, when the markets have gone through a mild correction, and that's gotten the risk reward to a much more better perspective for ICICI Bank. The stock on a technical basis is holding on to its 50-day moving average, which on historical terms has also acted as a good support for ICICI Bank. So I think on the back of this, my belief, and looking at the sturdiness of the stock, the kind of stature the stock holds in terms of a long-term portfolio, the wealth creation the stock has made over the last 5, 10, 15 years, I would probably believe that ICICI Bank should be a stock which could be a part of one's core portfolio also. So short-term wise, would look out for 1350 as a target, and stop loss could be kept at 1200.
All right, ICICI Bank is the pick for Kunal. But coming to you, Nooresh, now tell us which stock is on your radar?
In bet on BPCL. The stock over the long term, if you look at it, the stock has been a terrible return in terms of the stock topping out at 270, 280 back in 2017, then in 2019, and then again in 2023, you could come back only to those prices, broke out above those levels, went up to 330, 340 levels, then again consolidated. In the current move, it has made a top around 370. And now we are setting up a longer term uptrend, wherein after 6-8 years, the stock has given a big breakout. At the same time, if you look at it, the crude prices have been pretty stable. It looks like volatility that it has moved up from 67 odd levels to 74, but it was at 74 a month back as well. So overall, till the time it stays above below 80, 85 crude, that is positive for the stock on a structural basis. And overall, the trend looks very interesting, a 6-8 year breakout. So a contrarian bet today, the stock has given a dip also, giving you a good entry point. Would give a stop loss below the 335, have a target price of 400 to 440.
All right, ICICI Bank and BPCL are the picks for Kunal and Nooresh. But thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us for your festive season pick.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.